Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and just a small pinch of salt. On a clean surface, pile your flour into a mound, then create a nice, deep well right in the center. Carefully crack both eggs into that well, adding your pinch of salt. This forms the foundation of our delicious homemade pasta. Now let's get our hands a little messy. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, gradually pulling in flour from the sides of the well until a shaggy dough forms. Then it's time to knead. Work the dough for about 10 minutes, pushing and folding until it feels wonderfully smooth and elastic. Once kneaded, wrap your dough tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This helps relax the gluten. After resting, your dough is ready to be transformed. Divide it into 2 or 3 manageable portions. Lightly flour your work surface and a rolling pin, then roll each portion out very thinly. Aim for about 1/16 of an inch thick, almost translucent. Once rolled, you can cut the dough into your favorite shapes. Think classic fettuccine, wide tagliatelle, or even small squares for ravioli. The possibilities are endless. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade creation. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh pasta. It cooks much faster than dried pasta. It will only need about 2 to 4 minutes or until it's perfectly al dente, meaning firm to the bite. Drain it quickly, then toss immediately with your favorite sauce. Enjoy the incredible taste of fresh, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.